Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Visual Studio Code HTML, how to get a user input example form. So you can tap here form, and for action I will set for the submit page dot php, and you can type for post in it for method post. Okay, the second line, I will create label for username, and then the name text into username. Now to preview, you can click here, save, and I will preview in browser your username. The next, we can create for the input column. You can type input, type into text, and don't forget to set for the ID, the username, also the name into username, and in here you can type required. Okay, you can click save to view. So we have this column, and the next you can type br to create for the space element. Okay, I will set again into label. These labels for the password, and don't forget text password. Okay, I will save and preview. We have this password, and the next, in the next lines input again, you can set for type into text. Okay, or you can set into password. In here, you can for ID into password, and the next for the name into password. After it, we create for br text to create the next lines in the browser. So you can click file, save, and the next refresh. So we have these two columns. If you want to create again more space, you can add again br in here. Click file, save, refresh like this, and I will add the second br. Now the next for the buttons, for the button submit, you can use the button tag, type in it for the button into submit, and don't forget to set the text submit. Now you can click file, save, and then you can refresh. So that's it for basic Visual Studio Code, how to get user input with the forms element.